In this captivating video, I'm thrilled to reveal a revolutionary approach to crafting AI history shorts. Brace yourselves for a groundbreaking niche. World War shorts. You're on the brink of becoming one of the pioneers to reap the benefits. This isn't just any course, it's the ultimate guide to video creation, surpassing even some premium courses available. If you haven't hopped on the bandwagon yet, why should you learn this skill? Creating these videos has propelled AI history channels to massive financial success, and today, you have the chance to lead in a brand new niche, ensuring your content goes viral effortlessly. Stick around until the end, and I'll reveal my secret methods for monetizing these channels. So, how do we achieve this? We'll leverage ChatGPT for script generation, Leonardo AI for imagery, and 11 Labs for voiceover. The magic happens in CapCut, where we weave it all together seamlessly. Unlike other YouTubers charging a hefty price for such a course, I'm committed to delivering value for free. Your support is crucial, so don't forget to like, subscribe. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. Head over to ChatGPT to craft our script. Remember, we want it short, engaging, the language to be simple, and suitable for a 30-second YouTube short. Wow, it's better than I thought. Now what you need to do is write under the story that ChatGPT made. You just ask, can you make a list of prompts for making pictures in Leonardo AI? Then, it will give you a list that matches the story. Now let's proceed to use ChatGPT image prompts in Leonardo AI. So to work with Leonardo AI, just sign up for a free account and they give you 150 free credits daily, which is more than enough for what we're doing. Now head to the image creation section, choose the Absolute Reality Model V1.6 and click None right beside it. After that, go to ChatGPT and copy-paste your message to Leonardo. Add a hyper-realistic at the end of each prompt for more realistic images. On the left side, press 4 to get more picture options. As you can see, it provided us with something very pretty. If you are not satisfied, you can click on Generate Again. Let's open this one to take a closer look, and it turned out amazingly well. This is the fantastic thing about these AI image makers. Close this one and download the picture you like the most. Repeat this process for each image to finish the story. Go to ChatGPT, copy them in order, and generate. Okay, we have our images. Now we move to 11 Labs for generating a voiceover. Select the V2 model, choose a narrator. I will choose Adam as it is very popular, but you can choose someone else if you want. Paste your script and click Generate. And your engaging narration is ready. Stick to the end to see the final result. Alright, let's talk about a crucial aspect of these videos, the music. Visit this YouTube channel, see a link for a free download. Just click on that, and below, hit the download button to start downloading the track. Ensure you follow the attributions to not get copyright issues and copy them. Alright, let's dive into the editing part with CapCut. Import all your pictures we've created, along with the voiceover and the chosen audio. First things first, let's add the voiceover. Now, as we sync up the story with the images that ChatGPT provided for each part. But wait, before we get into the details, we need to modify the aspect ratio to 9:16. Then, click on each image to make sure they're sitting just right. If they need a little adjustment, click on the image, drag the corners until it looks perfect. Now, let's talk about the voiceover. As you can see, it has lots of pauses. Trust me, if we leave it like that, our video won't go viral because of the engagement rate. To fix this, we need to remove those pauses. Click on the voiceover track, drag your mouse to where the voice starts, and use the split button, then do the same where the audio ends. Delete the empty part of the audio. Now, do the same with the whole voiceover to keep the video super interesting. Alright, now that we've edited our voiceover and the pictures, it's time to align the images with the script. The way to do this is to, suppose the first scene is too long and you want the picture to finish earlier. click on it, drag it left. Now, if a video part is too brief and you want it longer, just do the opposite. Move it to the right. Repeat this process for the entire video, ensuring all the images are nicely aligned and everything clicks. Now, let's keep going with CapCut. Alright, time to dive into the visuals. The first effect we'll pull off is heading to the filters panel. Add the clear filter by simply clicking the plus button and it'll add onto the timeline. Drag it along the entire timeline, and there you go. Our first effect's done. This filter just makes the image clearer. Click on the filter and on the right side, adjust it as you like. It will depend on the colors you're playing with. Now, let's keep the ball rolling with color grading. In the top left, click on these arrows to reveal the Adjustments tab. Hit the plus icon, and this, guys, lets you color grade the whole video at once. First things first, scroll all the way down to find the vignette setting. Bump it up to around 15 to 25. That's my sweet spot. This effect darkens the edges, giving that cinematic vibe to the video. Next, nudge the sharpen to around 5. Slightly boost the clarity and play around with brightness, contrast, and other effects you see here. Feel free to copy my settings, but remember, it all hinges on the colors you're rocking. These settings aren't one size fits all. One last touch in the adjustment section. Click on HSL right here. Now, cruise through every color and crank up the saturation to between 5 and 10. It'll make all the colors pop and look extra juicy. Alright, remember that this step was optional and you can skip it if it is too difficult. Now, it's time for the animations. It depends on your scenes, guys. As you see, I am watching each picture carefully before adding the animation to make sure it corresponds with it. You can also add some transition, guys. Here's a pro tip for you guys about editing. Only a small amount of people will see this information because the majority would click off by now. They are not serious about this and simply get bored. So when you edit, always listen to the story and try to visualize the picture in your head. Don't want to sound crazy, but just think about it. Like, if you hear the narrator saying the word bullets and talking about a fighting scene, you're probably expecting explosions, bullets flying around, sound effects. Maybe we'll add all of that soon. But just a quick note for you, editing is a skill only to an extent. Or if you're working with AI animations like we are here and let's say there are no particular words that resonate with you, look at the picture and the movement. If you see a character or an object moving towards the left, then, bro, just apply a left-sided animation, bro. It's so simple if you think about it. Once you learn your way around a video editor, this stuff really becomes art, and it all depends on your imagination. Anyway, let's continue. It's time to add cool stuff to make this video look like it's from Hollywood, or right here in CapCut. First up, effects. Click on effects and scroll down until you find the spark section. Click on the By the Fireplace effect. Drag it onto the timeline and stretch it across the whole video. Lower the filter scale to 5 and stickers to between 10 to 20. This way, it'll be a bit see-through but still noticeable, okay? Now, we need to go scene by scene. Listen to the voice and add effects accordingly. In the first scene, let's add more sparkles since the first few seconds are super important in a video. So we want to fill it with animations. For the second picture, we can fire effects. The house is in fire. Drag it accordingly. Now for the third one, you can add the fog effect. Watch carefully how I'm doing it. For the last two images, you can add the stream effect. However, lower the atmosphere to make it not too visible. Okay, now let's go back and make some things stand out, alright? Let's put in our music. Just drag it on the timeline, but cut out the not so exciting beginning part. Next, trim the extra part. Now go to volume and set it to 10. Then pick the whole voiceover layer and set it to around plumb 2, not more. Trust me, it makes a difference. Now let's add our watermark. Go to text, hit the plus icon and type in your username. For me, it's Lazy AI History. Now choose a font and color you like that matches the scene. I think yellow will work. Put it in the top corner or in the middle. And now, very important, on the right, lower the opacity so it doesn't attract too much attention. In the text part, go to captions, click on auto captions, select your language and hit generate. After they're made, on the right side, we got to choose how big they are. Also, Make sure to click on the captions and put them in the right place. Make sure the Apply to All filter is selected, otherwise you'll have to do it one by one. Last step, sound effects. It's a really important one, so don't skip it, guys. All these big history channels have cool sounds in their videos. Click on audio, go to sound design, then go scene by scene, and again, play with your imagination. As you can see here in the picture, the house is burning, so I put the fire sound effect. Also, guys, listen to it so that you can know how much to adjust. The intensity for the last 4 images, I've decided not to put sound effect as the music already do the job. Looks like we're finally done. And then it's just exporting. So, click export and then we're done. Now, let's watch the final finished product together and let me know what you think.
In the heart of World War II, a young boy named Tommy found himself in a small village. War had touched every corner, and fear lingered in the air. But amidst the chaos, Tommy discovered an old, abandoned radio. Driven by curiosity, he tinkered with the dials and, miraculously, heard a voice broadcasting hope. It was a secret station, rallying people to stand against tyranny. Inspired, Tommy shared the message with his neighbors. With makeshift bravery, they formed a tiny resistance. Using their unique skills, they outsmarted the enemy and disrupted their plans. Tommy's small village became a symbol of resilience, proving that even the youngest among us could make a difference.
I think this is awesome, guys. If you're curious to watch how a new channel grows with this approach, make sure to subscribe to this new channel. I'll put a link in the description. This way, you'll witness the strength of this fresh and unexplored niche. As you can see, he already got 6,800 views with his first 2 videos. If you've watched up to this point, congrats. It means you're truly dedicated to succeeding on YouTube, willing to invest time in it. To get your channel monetized on YouTube, you need 1,000 followers and either 10 million views from YouTube Shorts or 4,000 watch hours on longer form videos. But wait, the important part is just starting. Now, I'm going to tell you what to do to make the video go viral and how to make a lot of money from it. First, how to go viral is very simple. Go to vd.com, create a free account, and then head to the AI Coach tab. Ask it, I'm going to post a short video in the historical niche about World War II generated using AI tools. Give a title, description, hashtags and tags using this information. Now, copy all this SEO data and paste it in your YouTube studio before posting. This will really help the video grow. This is just the tip of the iceberg because once you gather millions of views in shorts, you can think about making longer videos. But even more importantly, after gaining lots of recognition, you can build a brand around it.